I have so much I need to get done, but let me show you this thing super quick. This video got a load of views wondering what the stuff was. It's called liquid chrome. It is a refill for Molotov chrome marker, essentially. Basically, if you stick this through your airbrush and you spray it, or I think you can even paint it with the brush as well, it gives you this super chrome effect. Green Stuff World has a very similar paint as well. It does a very similar job, but I'm not 100% sure what's the difference between the two. If I'm being honest, they both have something about alcoholic paint in the back of it. Same as this one, they both have alcohol in, even though one of them spells it right. This one says alcohol. I mean, I'm gonna say that's another language. But the effects are still exactly the same. It's literally chrome, bruh. If you want chrome, that's the thing you need. Molotov liquid chrome. Bruh! By the way, someone did mention, can you clear coat it? Technically, this is what you're supposed to use to clear coat it, but I'm not gonna lie, my results have not been very good. That's not good. Don't do that. That's not what you do. Thank you for coming. Please come again soon.